Hi guys, my name is Indri from 12 Science 1 Kesatuan Senior High School Bogor, and I'm here to complete the full assignment from Mr. Ahmad. In this video, I will talk about mental illness. Talking about mental illness that occurs in Indonesia, there are still many of us who don't know what mental illness is. Mental illness is a collection of mental illnesses that affect a person's thoughts, feelings, and behavior. The cause of this mental illness arises from many factors. It can be due to stress, depression, due to experiencing deep mental stress or traumatic loss of something and someone. The desire to end your life. If you have the desire or intention to commit suicide, it could be that you are experiencing mental disorder. Often afraid of something for no reason, mood swing can be very happy, sad, irritable, and angry with unclear anger, like the confession of Karin Novilda, or what Karin is known as in the video she uploaded on her YouTube. In this 44-minute video, she not only clarifies why she disappeared from Instagram. In this video, she also tells about the mental illness she experienced. According to her, Indonesians do not know well about mental illness because in Indonesia there are still many who are ashamed to talk about or admit about mental illness. At first, Karin didn't know whether to tell anyone because she was afraid that if she did, she would think she was insane and get worse. I'm afraid that I might lose something, maybe someone. Anyway, I'm afraid to lose something situation, moment, and the point is I'm afraid of losing what I already have. I'm also afraid of being replaced. I'm also afraid not to be the best for someone, she said. As discussed above, one of the symptoms of mental illness is having excessive fear. Although surely every human being is afraid of losing something, mental illness is too much. Karin went through depression for 2 years and went through it alone because she was still embarrassed to tell her parents and friends. Since grade 2 to 3 of high school, Karin has not experienced depression for years, including a few years ago when Karin was booming with blasphemous haters on Instagram for making carelessness with her crying videos about breaking up. It was when Karin decided to get into one of the management and she signed a contract wherein Karin was actually given the brand image as bad girl, which required her to appear not in accordance with her true self. Karin's depression returned after she was accused that she was the cause of someone's death. Even her management, which she considered as his own family, left Karin because they were also appointed as the cause of someone's death. In essence, Karin stated that she was abandoned by all. July 2017, finally, the mental illness that Karin had been fighting for a long time finally happened again, and she became depressed and had tried to commit suicide. But the depression at that time did not last long because she was surrounded by people who loved her, and Karin had started to understand about the mental illness that was happening to her. She only experienced depression for 2 months. I had a friend who was really care with me. That is until a company me every day," said Karin, by mentioning the name of her friends at the time. According to her, the insult he received from the Indonesian people were not important because there were friends. One of the positives that Karin got from her mental illness is that the words that brought her down. Her life experience can make her who she is and make her rise. Karin was successful in running her business for 1 year. Even the management she built was successful until finally the community started giving her many positive comments. However, after Karin felt that she had everything she needed in this world, love, attention, and money, she realized that social media was not an eternal happiness because it was one of the factors that made her think of looking for something more that she could get back and bring her depressions. Karin is one of mental illness sufferers who has successfully survived and is not ashamed to admit to her closest people, even the wider community, her mental illness. On November 8, 2018, I interviewed one of my friends who has mental illness. The first time he became aware of his mental illness was when his friends saw him beating himself up. The cause of a mental illness relapse can be anything. Things that could be experienced when his mental illness happened was quite severe and very dangerous. My source decided to tell only his friends because he knew that if he held it back himself, he would feel heavier. So far, he does not want to do consultation, even though his friends have suggested him to go to a psychologist or psychiatrist and other health institution. He was afraid that it would lead to thought the next time he was declared mentally illness. An attempt to calm him down when his mental illness relapsed is to stay still, try to catch his breath and calm himself down. Even though he really cannot and feels worse, another thing is doing activities that might make him forget, such as sleeping, watching movies, or calling his close friends. I bother my friends the most, like worrying about my friends too. The conclusion is that someone who has mental illness is not harmful to others and their surroundings. Not a few teenagers who experience mental illness. Love and attention from friends and family is one of the life enhancers when he is feeling depressed. The role of parents is very important for people with mental illness. Children are more than other people or their friends, and try to reach out to your children so they can comfortably tell stories and tell everything they feel to their parents. Don't let your child experience this period of depression alone. Be afraid to tell stories to or even be embraced. Well, none of the parents will be angry or even not accept it if they find out that their beloved child is experiencing depression or mental illness. With a conclusion, you can find out many good things for yourself, such as how to get rid of excessive fear of something, how to calm yourself down when depression, and avoid bad things from happening when your mental illness relapse. Okay, that I my TOEFL assignment. Sorry for my bad English. Thank you for watching. Bye.